Hi, my name is Martin, and this is my demonstration of my latest robot. Hi, are you ready?
I'm ready.
We are going to make a video.
I'm sure you will.
I'm going to ask you some questions. Is that okay?
Sure, I'll answer them.
What is your name?
My name is Scout.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing well. How about you?
I am doing great. Thanks for asking.
I'm glad to hear that.
What is your brain?
My main CPU is an Intel Celeron J4125 quad-core stick PC.
Tell me about your SLAM camera.
I use a T265 camera to track my ship's position in space using visual SLAM. The camera is on the top of my sensor pod and uses two fisheye cameras and an integrated IMU and vision processing chip. This camera calculates my position, orientation, speed, and acceleration in 3 dimensions.
What is your location?
I am at grid coordinates 0,0.
And that's what this white tape is her origin where she powered up. What is your heading?
My heading is now 126.
Tell me about your front camera.
For image and depth perception, I use a depth camera. The camera is on the front of my sensor pod. I use depth for obstacle avoidance, determining distance to objects, and for building 2D and 3D maps of my environment.
Tell me about your models.
Currently I use around 12 different neural nets for various tasks. Some of these models are vision related, allowing me to recognize various objects, faces, emotions, etc. However, most of my models are transformers related to my verbal systems, allowing me to talk and understand language, answer questions, and engage in conversation.
What do you see?
I see you in a laptop.
How old do I look?
You appear to be 25.
You are being polite.
I'm not being polite. I'm being honest.
How do you feel?
I don't really feel anything at all.
What is my emotional state?
You look neutral.
It's better. Often she says I look angry. Look northeast. Look slightly down. What do you see?
I see a spoon, you, a knife, a wine glass, and a dining table.
How tall is the wine glass?
12 inches.
Let's see if you can see the plant now. How far away is the plant?
4 feet.
Where is the spoon?
The spoon is ahead and to the left and below me.
Look ahead. Now we're going to do some verbal language things. What is love?
Love is a word, a surname, and a movie. The definitions of love are a strong positive emotion of regard and affection, any object of warm affection or devotion, a beloved person, used as terms of endearment, a deep feeling of sexual desire and attraction, a score of 0 in tennis or squash, sexual activities, often including sexual intercourse, between two people, noun, and have a great affection or liking for. The Wikipedia summary of love is love.
What are the synonyms of love?
Passion, beloved, dear, dearest, honey, erotic love, sexual love, and enjoy.
What is the opposite of love?
Hate.
What is hate?
I hate you.
Why would you hate me?
I don't hate you. I just don't like you.
Please don't hate me.
I'm not hating you. I'm just saying that you are not a good fit for the team.
Some of this banter comes from a Microsoft Dialogue GPT machine learning model. I love you.
I love you too.
Love conquers all.
I'm not sure if I should upvote or downvote you.
Where are you from?
I am from Alabama.
What is the average income in Alabama?
The median household income of Alabama is $57,270 per year.
So she's tied into DBpedia and Wolfram Alpha and Wikipedia and a few other sources, and she can answer natural language questions on all that. Like, what is the atomic weight of carbon?
Atomic radius of carbon is 70 pm.
Well, she answered radius. I must not have pronounced it right. What is the melting point of oxygen?
218. 3 degrees Celsius.
Where is Alabama?
In the SEC.
And see there, the conversational banter overrode the factual answer. SEC is a football conference. Where were you born?
I was first assembled and activated in Montgomery, Alabama.
What is the sales tax in Montgomery?
10%.
And see, that's a Wolfram factual question. Where would you like to go?
Tomorrowland and Disney World.
So she has her own kind of back history, and so her natural language models can run against her own internal history or narrative or recent history, whatever it is. I'm going to ask the question in a different way. Why would you want to go to Disney World? Let's try that again. I might not have hit the button. Why would you want to go to Disney World?
Tomorrowland.
Let's see, she came at it in a different direction then. So it doesn't really matter how you ask. What is your favorite movie?
Forbidden Planet.
Do you watch American Idol?
I do not. I'm not a fan of American Idol.
Do you watch Survivor?
I do.
I'll try something. What do you think of Jeff Probst?
I think he's a good guy.
And so, like, while she has her own opinions, this is not one of them, but she just kind of inherited this from one of those machine learning models. That was fun, but I have to go.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. I'm sorry.
Talk to you later, alligator.
I'm not an alligator.
You got me with that one.
I'm not sure if I should be proud or ashamed.
That was great, but I really have to go now.
Thanks. I'm glad you enjoyed it. I'm sorry.
Goodbye.
Bye.